yesterday they announced TikTok might be shut down in the US. Today, all of TikTok's videos have 0 views. Do you see? Oh, I guess the new ones. Oh, that's crazy. This is exactly what's happening right now. Hey guys, so today I want to take you along with me on a day in my life because I haven't done this in a while, and today is slightly more exciting than a typical day in quarantine. Typically, I just have the full day and I'm just working from home. Today I'm also doing that, but today I have a meeting and 2 interviews, one video interview and a podcast interview, and I just wanted to update you on my life. Yeah, it's been a while. So right now I have about 30 minutes before my first meeting, so I'm gonna squeeze in a little journaling session, do some morning pages, and I'll catch up with you guys later.
Slow dancing in the night. Yeah, I wake you up inside. I want you close and tight. Yeah, I want it my way.
How to curl my hair like this from Korean people. It does look very like K-drama, right? It's not bad. I'm kind of feeling it. I'm trying a middle part, guys. This is like, I haven't done this since elementary school. I gotta go. Interview's done. I'm done. All right, I am done with the interviews. They went pretty well. Not to toot my own horn, but I feel like I do really great at interviews. I feel like the wisdom and whatever I spew out is so much better than what I share in my videos. It might just be like the conversation or the right questions that bring the right things out of you, but I'm just like in total flow when I'm like talking to people. So yeah, it is currently 3:30 p.m. I haven't eaten, so I'm about to make a fruit bowl. My fruit bowl that I have almost every single day. By the way, this is usually the time that I do eat my first meal because I intermittent fast. I've been intermittent fasting for almost a year now. I've definitely built up to this like schedule where I eat late. Like I eat in like a 4 to 6 hour window, and then I intermittent fast for the rest of the hours of the day. I always like to break my fast with fruit because it's good for you. I try to eat fruit almost every day, fruit or vegetables, but I like fruit better than vegetables. Anyway, I'm rambling now, so I'm going to show you how I make this. First, I dice some apples. Now I'm just slicing bananas. I learned that the thinner the slice, the better the banana tastes to me. So yeah, I try to slice thinner slices, but it really doesn't matter. So it depends on the day and my mood. Sometimes I do fruit with yogurt, but when I do apples and bananas, I pair it with peanut butter. They just go so well together. So I just take like a scoop of peanut butter, like this size, and then I would put it on the side. And then I sprinkle on some granola. This is my favorite granola brand. It's like a mix of like flaxseed, pumpkin seed, and whatever. It just tastes really good, and it's from Costco. This is my backup one. They have 2. We tried this one. This one's better though, but this one's not bad. And there you have it. My apple, banana, peanut butter, granola bowl. All right guys, so now I gotta show you the technique. How do I eat this? Why do I not mix the peanut butter in? First of all, it's hard to do that, but this is how I do it. Just take a little bit of peanut butter, and then you just eat it with whatever you want to eat with. Like I just prefer it as a clump here so I can scoop a little bit and eat it with the fruits. It's yummy like that. Bon appetito. By the way, I've been reading these Chinese wisdom comics that my mom bought for us a long time ago. They're comics in English. Really cute because they're teaching like ancient Chinese wisdom from Confucius. This one is on Zen Buddhism. Actually, I have some that are not here right now, but this is an example of the collection. And my mom bought these a long time ago, but I found that on Amazon, you can still find like books similar to this if you just look up the artist and the author. So I'll link it down below if any of you are interested. It's so good because it's like cute, it's short, it's to the point, but the wisdom is so valuable. So now I'm back in my office and I'm gonna first check some email, reply to whatever needs to be replied to, and then work on the 2021 workbook design. I've seriously been procrastinating at this for a while, but it is time. Like, I'm really hunkering down this week to get it done, and I'm doing like major revamp for the design, which is why it's really like kind of overwhelming, because I want to change it and make it a lot better. We'll see. I'm excited for a new, fresh start. All the previous editions. Guys, I'm so excited for the new mailer boxes for Lavendaire. Oh my gosh, this is just a preview of the die lines that we're gonna send to get samples made, but the coloring is like super soft and pretty, and I am excited. This is the outside, this is the inside, and that's all I'm gonna show you for now. Okay, so it's been a couple hours. I'm a little creatively stuck, just feeling resistant. I just don't even know what to do with this workbook right now. I'm gonna take a break. Actually, guys, I made some progress. This is Cloris's drawing from the 2020 workbook. I've updated a lot of things. It still has a long way to go, but we did something today. Alright, so it is sunset time. I usually like to go outside during sunset or just whenever I'm taking a break just to get some fresh air, because quarantine, work from home life, I really am inside like every single day. I don't really go anywhere. But yeah, it's so pretty. I always like to watch the sunset. A few days ago, I saw like the full moon at sunset. It was so pretty. I think I have a picture I could show you guys. Here's my blueberry plant. I swear, like yesterday I saw a blueberry and it disappeared. This has happened twice. I think the birds eat the blueberries or something, because yeah, it's fine though. Isn't this pink cloud so pretty? I've decided I'm going to make dumplings. This is like the default lazy Asian meal. These are homemade dumplings though, from Wilson's mom. So Wilson came home, but he already ate, and I'm like, we usually eat together, but since he already ate, I'm just making a lazy meal for myself. Alright, so I'm just gonna eat while I watch a K-drama. I'm watching one called Mystic Pop-Up Bar on Netflix. It's like okay, it's not amazing, but I'm still like, I like the fantasy theme, so I'm sticking it through and seeing if it'll get better. right? I am so glowy right now, especially in this lighting. Wow. Anyway, I'm feeling very pampered and I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my night. I just wanna say thank you for hanging out with me today in a day in my life. I do have to note that when I vlog my day, I tend to be more productive because I feel like the vlog acts as an accountability buddy. So just know that not every day looks like this. Some days I'm spending hours on my phone and it's not good for me, but we do it sometimes. I mean, life is life. Hope you're staying safe, and yeah, just be safe and be healthy right now, especially in quarantine. Make sure you subscribe to the Shiny Face if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Love you so much. Bye.